Unlocking innovation through robotics education. Welcome to our channel, Jay Robotics. Hello, DIY enthusiasts. Today we're delving into health tech with our DIY heart rate monitor. For this project, you'll need an Arduino board, a heartbeat sensor, and an LED. Connect the LED to pin 13 on the Arduino. Now link the heartbeat sensor to pin 7. Before we upload the code, ensure you've selected the correct board and port. Go to Tools in the Arduino IDE, choose your board, for example, Arduino Uno, and select the port your Arduino is connected to. Now, you can upload the provided code. As the heartbeat sensor reads values, the LED reacts accordingly, visually representing the heartbeat. The serial monitor provides raw and filtered data, offering insights into the heart rate fluctuations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting projects. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy tinkering!